Is Pixlr crashing while you're editing or exporting your project? Maybe the tab suddenly closes, the editor freezes, or everything reloads without warning. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Pixlr crashing issues in 2026. So let's get started. First, refresh the page and reopen Pixlr. A quick reload can fix temporary glitches that cause sudden crashes. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Pixlr depends on cloud processing, so unstable connections can lead to crashes or unexpected reloads. If you're working with large images or heavy projects, Pixlr may crash due to memory overload. Try reducing image size or simplifying your project. Too many open tabs or background applications can overload your system. Close anything you don't need to free up memory and processing power. Corrupted browser data can cause instability. Clear your cache and cookies, restart your browser, and try again. Extensions like ad blockers or script blockers may interfere with Pixlr and cause crashes. Temporarily disable them and test again. An outdated browser may not handle Pixlr properly. Update to the latest version and restart your browser. If crashes continue, switch to another browser like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. Different browsers handle web apps differently. If your device is low on RAM or CPU resources, Pixlr may crash frequently. Close heavy applications or restart your device to free up memory. Sometimes the issue isn't on your device at all. If Pixlr servers are overloaded or undergoing maintenance, crashes and reloads can happen. There's nothing you can fix locally in that case. And that's how to fix Pixlr crashing in 2026. Most crashes are caused by memory overload, browser issues, extensions, or server problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.